Hello students, now in the statistics chapter number 3, linear regression, we have already started this chapter, we have seen all the formulas. Now exercise 3.1, in that we have done sum number 2, now today sum number, let's take sum number 1. From the following data of price in rupees and demand in 100 units of a commodity about the regression line of demand on price, also estimate the demand when price is 20. Also estimate demand when price is 20. Price, that is x. This is x and this is y. So value for the x is given and we have to find out y. So this is called as by on x. Right? This is called as by on x. Now first of all we write down this data, x we write down, y we write down, and then after we decide about the formula. Okay, now I have written exercise 3.1 sum number 1, x values I have written, y values I have written, then after I have find out x bar and y bar. Now both are integer, right? So we apply this formula, that x minus x bar y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar होल स्क्वायर. और ये हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा था कि इंटीजर हो तो ये फार्मूला, डेसिमल वैल्यूज़ हो तो एक्स वाइज फार्मूला, एंड लार्जर वैल्यूज़ हो तो यू वी फार्मूला. राइट, our main formula is this: y cap is equals to a plus bx. For that we have to find out a, then we have to find out b. Right, now we do working according to the formula. First of all, x minus x bar, then after y minus y bar, then after x minus x bar, y minus y bar, and then after x minus x bar whole square. Right? Okay. Now x bar is equals to, here x bar is equals to 16 and y is equals to 10 comes. X bar, that is 16, y that is 10. Right? You can see this. So now we solve. X minus x bar means 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16. So that comes minus 4. X values means this values. 12 minus 16 comes minus 2. 15 minus 16 comes minus 1, 16 minus 16 comes 0, then 18 minus 16 comes 2, 21 minus 16 comes 5. Right, let's make total of this, that is 0. ये है total. Y minus y bar, 18 minus 10 comes 8. 12 minus 10 2, 10 minus 10 0, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 7 minus 10 minus 3, then 5 minus 10 minus 5. This again comes 0. X minus x bar into y minus y bar, multiplication of this two. Minus 4 into 8 comes minus 32. Then minus 4, minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 1 into 0 comes 0. This is again 0. 2 minus 3 comes minus 6. 5 minus 5 comes 5 into minus 5 comes minus 25. This is 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 0 into minus 2 0. Minus 1 into 0 0. Minus 2 into 2 4. And minus 4 into 8 comes minus 32. Right, so now let's make totaling of this. Total of this comes minus 67. Now x minus x bar whole square of this, x minus x bar whole square. So whole square में, in the whole square all values becomes positive. 4 square, that is 16, 2 square 1, minus 1 का 1, 0 का 0, 4 2 square, that is 4, 5 square, that is 25, total comes 50. Right, now we put up all these value into the formula. This is our formula. Right, formula में put up करें तो x minus x bar y minus y bar, that is -67 upon 50, that comes -1.34, right? by on x, that is -1.34. Now we find out y bar minus bx bar, right? Y bar, that is 10, minus b, that is -1.34, x bar, that is 16, right? Okay, now इसका हम सिंप्लीफाई करें, दैट इज 10 माइनस माइनस बिकम्स प्लस, 10 plus 21.44, so A becomes 31.44. Always make a box on the answer. This is our answer. Make a box on the answer. Okay, now we find out this y cap is equals to a plus bx. Main equation, always find out first of all equation. A is equals to 31.44 plus b, that is -1.34x, right? This is our linear regression equation or linear regression line, this we can call, right? इसको हम sin 31.44 plus or minus 1.34x. This is our equation. This is necessary to write down because this contains 1 mark. आपने ये लिखे बिना सीधा यहाँ आंसर फाइंड आउट कर दिया, राइट? तो यू विल लूज 1 मार्क. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव y cap is equals to, this is y cap is equals to 31.44 minus 1.34 into 20 multiply by 20, right? ओके, तो समेशन इसका सॉल्व करें, दैट 31.44 minus 26.8, so y cap is equals to 4.64. So this is our answer. After this, always write down a statement that when price is 20, its demand y obtained is y cap is equals to 4.64. now demand is given in 100 units, so 4.64 into 100 comes 464 units. Right? Okay, so this is how we can solve linear regression line by applying x minus x bar formula, right? Okay, so now I will give homework. Exercise 3.1, in that sum number 3 and sum number 4 दोनों में ही x माइनस एक्स बार फॉर्मूला यूज़ होती है. So sum number 3 and sum number 4 both are in homework, right? Okay, so that's all for today.